Hi guys, welcome back. So I got a comment from the live stream that we streamed later on, broadcast, and that broadcast we talked about the suspension of COS. Her ex account was suspended, and the new one I shared it on that video. If you have not watched the video, please watch it and make sure that you follow COS in her new ex account because that the former one was suspended. Then I said I don't know why that account was suspended. That personally I don't know. I did not say that nobody know. I made it clear that I myself don't know. Then I got a comment that's trying to attack me on that. I'm gonna read it out. But before then, let me mention the name of the person. He said his name is Amechichi 415. You know yourself. And I put check the thumbnail of this video, you will see his comment and his name is there. I mean his account on YouTube is there because this video is going to YouTube, not to X. So some of you that know what happened to CS account, I'm not saying that you are wrong. I said I don't know what happened to the account. Then somebody have shared to me this morning the tweet from CS maybe early hour yesterday when the whole thing happened. She said that Tinubu reported the account. That it could be federal government team and all that. Fine. But the way Ogenkere and the group was happy about it, that was why I said that there could be people that is behind it. And we have seen similar thing in the past from DOS. I mentioned DOS. Then this guy called Amechi 415, he said this, but Kai, all of you from A to Z are liars, deceivers. You guys have no business with Biafra, but to make money on social media. All of you are so disgusting. How could you say you are unaware why CS opened a new account? And now you are accusing DOS. Go and watch the video. I did not talk about US about it. I said that the same way Ogenkere group are rejoicing and celebrating that CS account was suspended, that we have seen that in the past. That DOS was happy each time PM had issue with his account, they felt like they have won a jackpot. Meaning, looking at his comment simply means that he's siding DOS, right? At the same time, supporting Ogenkere. When people say that DOS are now in the struggle, in the movement, in autopilot, in Biafra government, in Ezra, and all that, people seem to misunderstand that. But is it true? Absolutely, yes. It is true. And he said this again. I'm sending you a reason. I'm sending you reason why COS account is down. Then he sent a YouTube channel, which I have watched, and I'm gonna react to that channel right now. Okay? Don't worry, we're gonna go through all of them. Sometimes it's good to hear from this kind of people so that you have more knowledge of what people think about you and about what you are saying or what you are doing. Let me repeat, I am not here to cause problem. I don't preach for violence. I'm not in support of killing, attack of anybody. I'm not in support of any bloodshed, killing of anybody, whoever the person may be. But I am in support of self-defense. I am in support of freedom. I am in support of peace, to protect us, our land, to protect our people, to protect our life, and to protect our property. These are what I believe on. I don't think any sensible human being will see me, I will watch my video and believe that I'm a preacher of violence. I'm not. But some people want to use that to catch cruise. Sometime in the past, the same guy have made a comment again, have made a comment on my video, and on that comment, he was actually trying to defend what is the name of this guy? Deputy to Nnamdi in the past, Uche Mefo. He said that we are attacking Uche Mefo because we are committing atrocities, and Uche Mefo, says something about it, and because of that, the kind of Uche Mefo rejected to be part of it, and we decided to attack him, which is a lie. I have said this. I'm saying this before. I'm not gonna say it again. Learn how to address somebody that have offended you. Don't bring Mr. A to join something, maybe your bad feeling on Mr. B. If somebody have attacked Uche before because he condemned violence or killing, why are you bringing me to that? That I said maybe you felt that I'm in support of Mass American, or that I like CS, or I like PM and all that kind of thing. That shouldn't make you to feel. That shouldn't make you feel that I'm in support of killing or violence. I Some of you don't understand that PM is not even a violent person. Self-defense is what they called. He's not a terrorist, but sometimes people want to use that, trying to pretend that they know everything when they don't know anything. You are accusing people, or trying to, you know, um, trying to tell people that, or trying to make it look like people are against Uche before because he's a peaceful man. Who told Biafran to protest in Anambra, in Headbridge, in Aba, and they got killed? Thousands are still in prison because of his order. I don't want to go there, but if you want to, say something, make sure that you know what I'm saying. My video and what I said is very, very clear. I'm not here to pretend to anybody. All right? The issue of making money, making money, making money. Since when did making money become an issue? Like, you are making money on social media after putting hard work, after putting your hard work or effort, and you are making money on social media. Since when did that making money become an offense, like atrocities? That some of you are referring to, oh, you are making money on social media, oh, you are making money on social media. Now, how much do you think that people make on social media? It depends on your platform, on how you are, your effort, right? If you want to also make money, you can also make money. You have everything. You don't need to pay any money to register any account on YouTube or Facebook, right? They're all free. I am only here on YouTube. I'm not even on Facebook. I was in Facebook and they kicked me out. That's just the fact. Okay, they suspended my page. I had almost then it should be maybe, I think, 7 to 8,000 followers, and they deleted it. Okay, and since then I don't feel like going back to open a new one. I just want to maintain this one and just be myself, because I don't have this strength of, you know uh, thinking on what to say, so that they're not going to affect your community standard and everything. So, and Facebook is very, very funny. Let's not make this as about Facebook and YouTube. So this person that I just read here his comment out for you. Send the link, and that link has to do with you know a video of another person who claimed that he knows everything more than anybody. That PM is this, and when I opened that, I saw his channel's name, and I felt like this is just one of it. All these accounts that they are not Igbo people, they are not Biafrans, but they want to talk about Biafrans, and you expect them to say something nice about your freedom. No, it's not possible. How can you expect them to say something nice about your freedom when they know that your freedom is against what they want, which is making and sucking oil? Some of them believe that you are talking about Biafra because of oil, that you want to enjoy this oil alone. That's why we are talking about Biafra. That's what they told their people during the time of Ojukwu. Now, This guy, the video we are talking about is this video, and he titled it Elon Musk Submit Biggest Revelation to Finland, meaning that the owner of Twitter is against Biafra and against PM. Watch this, because to me, what I'm gonna say, hence, what I'm saying from the beginning of this video is all my opinion. Not I'm not representing anybody. Get it right. I don't want to hear, oh, if they send you that. Nobody sent me. This is my own opinion. You have right to say to your own opinion. You are entitled to your own opinion. So don't attack me, okay? But if you want to attack me, I'm attack you too. That's just the fact. Politely. But let's continue. This guy has almost 90,200 subscribers. Are you getting the point? And everything he do is about PM. A kind of that he's analyzing something. I'm not against you, but can you analyze it based on remove sentiment? Be real, because what I'm seeing here is totally is opposite of what analysts do. Totally opposite of what analysts is known for. And we are gonna go through it. Like I said, let me bring the video up so you can hear it for yourself. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. I have to fix this properly. Please like the video. I forgot to encourage you to do that. Please like the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think about what we are discussing and this idea of Elon Musk have submitted a very powerful revelation and what have you. Do you actually believe that? Do you believe that? I want to get it done. Okay. So let's see. Let's hear from the person. Um, Please make sure that you give the video a thumbs up and turn your bell notification on. You can also comment and tell us your own opinion, because here we do read comments to know your own take, to know your own stand on the issue at hand. So it's not as if we don't go through comment. I do. I read comment a lot. Your comment is actually like this person now. This video is my response.
As we all know, Twitter as a company.
Now let's hear the guy. This one he's not the one that made comment, but the commentator referred this channel to me. I have not seen the channel before, where this guy is talking about something that, according to him, that made CS account to be suspended. We're gonna hear that here, which personally I know that this is not true. You may agree, but personally I don't agree. Hear what he said here.
As we all know, Twitter as a company and as a social media platform are currently sending out user data and back-end analytics of this man showing right now on your screen. And in this video,
that Twitter is showing everything, details, and going back to backdate everything that PM has done on Twitter and everything about this man. I'm showing you on the screen, and he brought PM picture from somebody who don't believe that you're supposed to be free, from somebody who don't actually like you in any shape or form. He's a Nigerian. The Twitter name, his YouTube name here is Greenlight Africa. Okay, don't subscribe to that. Don't go there. I'm not telling you to go and subscribe to that. No, he's just one of the people that take your advantage of what is happening to you. That's what he's doing in name, because he knows that Biafrans are eager to know what is going on in Finland, and he's broadcasting about it. There are some videos that he titled different things from what he will say in the video. Like this one now says, Elon Musk submits biggest revelation to Finland. When you listen to this video, I have listened to that. When you play it, you will hear zero thing that prove that Elon Musk have done that. Now, listen.
we shall be going through some of this data and the user ID that have been sent so far. This is going to be a very, very interesting video, and I will urge you to watch it up until the very end because we have a lot of info to share and discuss. So let's kick off this
Really?
video in essence. Well, just in case you don't know, the government of Finland, together with EU, collaborated and sent out proper documents and written files to Elon Musk, who happens to be the owner of Twitter, or now called X. They wanted Elon Musk, together with his company, to release back-end data of this man sharing right now on your screen, so as to aid its investigation, so as to aid the investigation being conducted by the Finnish authorities on this particular individual. So as we speak, Elon Musk was compelled to send out this user data of this particular user showing right now on your screen. And let's cover everything that was sent batch by batch. First thing first, around November of last year, this man known as Simon came out and told the district court of Paijehame that he was just a content creator and that the court shouldn't take anything on his Twitter page.
A lie from pit of hell. A lie from PM did not say that. And I'll tell you why. And he's showing you, a screenshot from, people who hate PM, Nigerian media. Their response, screenshot from there. Like this one said, the person that made this comment here, Simon tells Finland court, I am just a content creator. The issue of Prime Minister of Biafra is not serious. Who made this comment? Mayowa Bolaji, 3 months ago. You remember when they brought some Muslim Namarikano back to Nigeria after kidnapping him from Kenya? They said, the same Nigerian media, the same Afonda media, what did they say? That Muslim Namarikano have denied being the leader of IPOP. If not that Aloy Ejimako was very, very vibrant and ready to challenge that, they slack back. Only his comment on that pushed them to Tataros. Push them away immediately. These people know how to use your problem to knee you to stand still. This is what they want, what they expected back then in Nigeria, that PM said this. And it was all over the media because all the media have to do it. Otherwise, they will receive some questioning from Nigerian communication, telecommunication service or whatever they call that. They know what they're doing. I'm not against it. This is pure political propaganda. It is part of it. But why must you follow suit and buy that kind of idea? This is where I started suspecting the owner of this page. He is not Igbo, he is not Biafra, and he's doing what what they know how to do. It is in their gene. It is in their gene. I found that. I'm not saying that he's a Yoruba person, but he's not far from that. Even if he's not, he's one of those tribe. He must come from those tribe who actually, enjoy seeing Igbo people going down. Imagine if Fulani invasion, Fulani bandits are only after Igbo land. Believe you me, all these people will be clapping for Fulani. They should go on. But thank God, everything is for everybody. This breakfast is for every region, whether you like it or not. Listen.
Serious. Well, things have gotten very, very intense and interesting for this young man because the government of Finland, together with his investigative team and department, has looked into the back-end analytics that was sent.
And do you know the back end that he's flashing on this individual? How many followers PM have? How many how many that he followed? How many tweets he has made? User created. That's when they created the account. Okay, here everybody, you can go to any S account, you will see how many people they follow, how many people they follow them, how many tweets they have made when they open the page. You can see that. It is not something that you have to research before you see it. But using he's putting it here as one of the things that Elon Musk presented to the European Union or whatever he cooked up in his own imaginary brain. Imagine, he just creates something upstairs and use that to create content. And if you go to his comments, Biafrans are just, oh, he's a good guy, don't do this. As if you are begging to this guy. As if you are trying to make it look like he knows what he's doing. He don't know anything about what's going on. I can tell you that. Now, get 20.
by Elon Musk, and what they found is very, very surprising and totally different from what this gentleman
One of
presented.
the surprising that they find out is what he's showing you here. How many people followed him? How many people that he followed? How many tweets that PM made? And when the account was created? That is that thing that they want to. Now listen.
In the Bajer Army District Court. So let's look at this info one after the other. First thing first, showing right now on your screen is a quick breakdown of this guy's Twitter page. As you can see, he has about 187,000 followers right now, and he follows 318 individuals with a total of almost 19,200 tweets.
Okay.
And his account or his page was created on the 18th of March 2025. Yes, and that is not even all.
Hey. So let us allow advert to play. But you are following the what is going on, right? That is all about bringing something that is in public domain and make it look like is a very big deal. Economas.
Twitter page, the National Bureau of Investigation noticed that he has a blue check mark. Yes, which
Now another another thing that Elon Musk submitted and National Bureau, whatever he called that, the investigating team, it could be FBI, and I don't know, that he has PM's account is verified, like this blue mark, blue tick. If some of you on X now understand what I'm talking about. If you go to X, that's Twitter, if you check somebody's profile, some of them have, something like in recycle form, blue tick. They will just tick it like this, and it's in a blue color, meaning that that account is verified. So that's a crime. Like we're getting for you to know the crime that Elon Musk submitted to Finland, and that's why. And remember, we are here to listen to the reason why COS account it was suspended. It was suspended simply because of one of the this is one of the reasons. After the guy that sent the link was insulting me, calling me names that I'm no, he said we you guys are one of the worst, the kind of maybe I will visit that comment again so you see what I have already read it here. But he sent this thing for me to see reason why COS account was suspended because of PM have thousands of followers, have how many Twitter, open their account in 15th, no 2015, and another thing, another crime, he has blue tick. Again,
simply means that this guy known as Mr. Simon paid for this check mark, and that is where problem kickstarted.
okay, so he paying for that verification is he said it here, and that is a problem. That's where problem started. My people, for you to have it on X, Elon Musk cannot give, no matter what you post to, you must have to pay for it. When he initiated this idea of you must pay for this to have your account verified, well, that time he removed the tick because normally X will give you that. So there's some criteria that you meet before. Okay, you have it, but now you can pay for it. It is legal, not illegal. You can pay for it, and if you think you get to be okay, some of you actually believe that people are following Ogenkere, that Ogenkere have followers like this. No, once you post something, you can see it. No, you have to card it. It is carded. You have to put account, your card, depending on how many people that you want the Twitter to reach. Let me tell you, in case some of you are not social media, if I want to make my video, one of my video here on YouTube, to get to 1 million view, I can do it with your money, with your card. But one thing about it is that the video that you paid to generate that view, okay, may not make any progress later. Like another video that you post after posting that one. Imagine you post a video and that video generates 1 million view. Okay, let me not be too greedy. Let me just be little greedy for now. That I post a video and that video generates maybe 900,000. Okay, let me say 100, 150, 150,000, 150,000 subscriber view rather. and I post another video, what I the view that will be, because I paid for this one, I did not pay for this one. The one I paid for is 150,000 view. The other one may be maybe 30 view, 40 view. You see a channel that is just maybe have 2,000 subscribers, and some of the videos are generating 80,000 view, 120,000 view. Then you scroll down, you are not seeing 40, 45 view, 150 view, 200 view. The difference is because this one they paid for this one, they don't, but that's some account. This here, I don't pay anything. It is organic. Now, they claim that PM paid for this is a crime, which is a lie from pit of hell. Why PM should pay for that is because he represents the nation. And even at the moment, if you open a Twitter today and you want to be posting long video, like video of 10 minutes, you have to pay. All Standard Power paid. All of them paid their account, their S is carded. All of them from A to Z. I'm not saying Biafra will not follow you, but for you to have this a lot of engagement, you have to pay for it. Ask yourself, some of you that are not you are not aware, ask yourself why is it that your own Twitter account you cannot post 10 minutes video normally, because you have to purchase the space. It was not like that. Elon Musk made it so to make more money. Get quantity.
Where a lot of interesting linkage were done. So this man known as Mr. Simon actually paid for this particular blue check on his Twitter page. And based out of the info shared by the National Bureau of Investigation, they claim that the same card he used in paying for this verification was used for other payments done outside Twitter. Yes. So what did this guy pay for? What did Mr. Simon pay for? Well, we'll discuss that in this particular video. So stay tuned. This will be a very interesting one. So first thing first, also notice that this man known as Mr. Simon had series of burner accounts on Twitter, now called X. Yes.
Typical Oduduwa, not Oduduwa, Afonja. This is not the news. We have seen a video before anything where some of you claimed that he has this one room where he mount phone, and that phone is connected to generate view and share for him. That is why his X is very, very strong. We watched that video, and we are here trying to say that as a new one of the investigatory in one of the because you are investigative journalist. You are one of the people that actually know what is going on. You have people in Finland. You can research. You can verify. Go to Abonation. Live from Peter Hell. He's showing here. What he's showing here is make money on X. The first step to monetize is to get verified with X premium. That's what it's called. That blue tick is called premium. If you want to upload lengthy video on X, you have to join this premium. And how to do that? You have to card it, credit card or MasterCard or Visa card. Use that and put it. They will ask you. They will ask you the packages. Is it for one? You want the one of 1 month, 6 months, 1 year? They will tell you what this one will do. That if you buy this one, you're able to do this. You're able to have engagement, have followership, and all. It's there. That's why you think Lennon Mockery is have all these mega followers because without paying money. You guys, all of them for you to grow, even just like Facebook, the same thing. The same thing. Now let's continue.
They believe that he had other accounts that he used or uses to comment on his post so as to create basic reactions and actions by his audience. So the question
is that a crime? Is that a crime? That you create account, X account, and you have maybe 3 different accounts that you use that account to like, comment, and share. Every content creator on Facebook. What he said here is one of the key methods if you want to grow on Facebook. It works on Facebook. If you try it on YouTube will tell you that they are Google, that they are the one that know. You understand? They don't give that nonsense. YouTube don't support that criminality that Facebook allow you to do. Here, This guy is telling you that this is one of the results that Elon Musk submitted. We'll have a working matter when I'm not able to on social media. Okay, again.
question here is, what are these other accounts? Well, take a look at this publication or this info showing right
Now, the including at Ugochukwu Biafra, at M Josh underscore is music, and at Tibet has been vocal in supporting Samonekpa. According to okay, have been vocal in supporting Samonekpa, advocating for his freedom and recognizing his role as a freedom fighter. So this X, he just have some people that they felt that, oh, these are people that follows Samonekpa, they support him and all that. All this they claim that they are Musk is from Badagry. Badagry investigative journalists. They are the one from Badagry. It did not even cross anywhere. You're following. I don't know how to put it so you understand what I'm saying. The only thing you need to understand is that you people that hate you are not one, they are not two, they are not three. That's why they are even surprised that sometimes we fight among each other. Can you imagine that after we are showing these people that we hate them, they still have the temerity to hate themselves as well. Wow, that's what they'll be telling themselves. Listen.
on your screen, which showcases the potential 3 different burner accounts this guy operated. Why?
Now, for you to see that he exposed himself here, these accounts are well-known people. Like M. Josh is a musician that's playing. His music is based on he sing for the Biafra movement. And Ugochukwu Biafra is a real person, well-known person that has the account. And Chim Best is another real person. But these people, because out of their hatred, they don't even care to check this X account belong to who. Now, he's telling you that PM is the one behind this account, using that to comment, to generate more view and more engagement on his post. Lie from pit of hell. And according to him, this thing he's saying now is, back information, like Elon Musk and their group and his group, revealed what PM is doing behind the scene to the people that are interrogating him in Finland. Lie. Everybody. I don't blame you. If Ogekere can also claim that he have, he's hearing from PM and getting updates. Your own, of course, with your 90,000 subscribers, of course, you should do the same.
Spreading out info and news using his Twitter page. And that is not even all. The National Bureau of Investigation noticed something interesting. They observed that the card used by Mr. Simon for paying for his blue check on Instagram was also used for creating a particular app or website domiciled in Finland. So the question here is,
So since when did the Finland authorities stop people from using their credit card or MasterCard to pay for multiple tax, like whatever they want to put online that is legal? Paying for app is legal. Paying for X premium is legal. I don't understand this kind of people. So she didn't give me
this app and what is this website? So take a look at this screenshot showing right now on your screen. This happens to be a social media platform that was created by Mr. Simon based out of the investigation conducted by the Finnish police and the NBI. Yes, they believe that this guy at some point created his own social media platform in order to draw his audience on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and whatsoever onto this platform. Yes, and surprise.
That I don't blame you. In fact, I blame Igbo people following this green light African YouTube. I blame you people. You guys are a problem for our people. I'm telling you. Sometimes when you see all the cock and nigga for Reno oppose anything, you go there. Oh, Reno, you are idiot. You are giving him popularity. You are actually promoting that platform, thinking that you are talking to him. The best way to ignore, if you are a neighbor person, you are following this kind of people. You are in fact, this guy is better than you because you are the number one enemy to yourself. What this guy is saying here is to lie to you and make you believe that he has something to say, whereas he has nothing to say. Nothing to say. Creating a double account to promote your channel is legal as long as Twitter and Facebook is concerned. But we are doing it the way, when they say share, you can use your account to share many things, right? Personally, I don't share because I know how YT work. It's not like Facebook. If you do it here, you may not find it funny. Personally, I don't have the time to do that. But that's why I ask you people to share. But when people, multiple, when individuals, other people share it and like it, good. Just like you create multiple accounts on YT and start giving yourself like. No, you don't. You are spamming your channel. They will see you as spam. And mind you, all these platforms are under Google. Let me not go there. These people. Let me continue. Let me continue. Just hear this.
Interestingly, the NBI noticed that the same debit card used in paying for that particular blue check on his Twitter page was also used on this particular website or app showing right now on your screen. This is a very, very interesting one. Well, when we saw this publication coming from Finland, we had to do our own research to better verify and fact check.
Now he's telling you that all this garbage, all this nonsense that this guy is vomiting here, come from Finland investigative team or Elon Musk. That one of the things he find out about PM is that PM have a lot of followers and he's actually have double account that he used to promote his account. With that, so is that terrorism or what? Ah, God. Nah, when somebody hates you, that person don't hate you. You are never out of hate on Igbo people. At nothing. There's nothing more. Listen.
The Finnish news and their press. While doing our own research, we noticed that on the 25th of April 2024, at around 3:18 p.m. that particular day, Mr. Simon released a tweet on his page on Twitter, on now called X. So take a look at this. Showing right now on your screen is this tweet where it states, "Here is a sample of our monetization in our new social media all-inclusive app. We will hit Nigeria very bad. Once this app is out, even those shouting Ekerima will monetize their page and channel, broadcast live on this app and make some bucks for themselves." As you can see, this is a clear confirmation that this particular website or app has been linked or is being linked with Mr. Simon, because based out of this tweet, he claimed ownership, full or partial ownership of that particular social media platform. Well, moving on swiftly.
So building a social media app is a crime, to according to this guy, our founder. Building a social media platform is a crime. You know what? Who told you that? And he's saying it with his full chest too, like he knows what he's saying. Alright, then by alone. I don't blame you. 90% of his followers are Biafrans. Go to the comments, go and watch the comments on some of his videos. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. Listen.
What else did the Finnish media and its broadcasting outlets disclose based out of this guy's Twitter page? Well, first thing first, take a look at this screenshot showing right now on your screen. When you look at the highlighted part, you will notice that this guy embedded a website, a link to his Twitter page. Yes, a lot of info was uncovered from this particular website. So the question here is, what was uncovered? Well, first thing first, the Finnish authorities claim that this man showing right now on your screen is linked to fundraising series of activities that created unrest in the southeastern region of Nigeria.
Fundraising is not a crime. But when you are fundraising to support or finance a terrorist or terrorism, that is a problem. This idea of fundraising is not a crime. Even YT have a way of option. You want to raise money. Are you getting the point? But since the owner of the leaders of the world, people who have much interest in Africa and want to suck oil, they decided to twist the reality to blackmail Biafrans or Igbo people as people that are terrorizing, I don't know. And the fellow Igbo people are the ones actually promoting that. So I can't blame them. I blame those who choose to represent or stand on the side against their own people in the name of proving a point. That's a story for another day. But what this guy is saying here about fundraising is a crime. See, that reminds me, COS said something, even the Ogenkere group are using that to mock themselves now, saying, "Oh, look at it." She said that yeah, she raising money for is it less privilege, or there's a way she said that a kind of humanitarian for humanitarians. If you don't know the what that means, I'm not gonna tell you here. But whatever you hear, please, from CS, for now, whatever you hear, don't question, just do it. You get why? But these people want to, our people want to hear everything. We want to know everything. We want to see everything. It's one keta, you will be making.
They believe that this guy single-handedly created insecurity in the southeastern region of Nigeria
Thank
by
God you said they believe, not that he did. They believe. There's a difference between you did and the reality. You feel, you think, than the reality. The reality is that he did not create insecurity. And according to them, after the investigation, has insecurity stopped in Biafra land? The answer is no.
fundraising, by sending funds, by sending materials, resources that created this unrest. Yes, this is what.
So, my people, I think we need to end this here because this guy is keep on. All he's saying here is just nonsense. And a fellow Biafran tagged me to go and watch it. To no reason why CCS account was suspended. He called me name so, but he watched the video. He couldn't make meaning out of it. He couldn't even understand what this guy is saying. I am not in Finland. I don't have anybody there to tell me what is going on. Yes, but my brain is with me. If I see, I can tell you. I can tell you what I feel. Like I said at the beginning, this is all my opinion. Not that I have talked to Finland, I called my contact. No. You can also use your brain. I can handle before police are brain. So my brain is with me. If you like, say whatever. They don't do those kind of investigation and the research and when it has to do with their brother. Oh, the Yoruba people, he may not be a Yoruba person, no, but he's learning from the best. If you know, you know. I'm not here to attack Yoruba people, but I have to say it the way it is. Why? Because we are the one to tell our story. I don't hate any tribe. I don't promote segregation. But I cannot accept to be slavery for you not to call me a problem creator and the hater of any ethnic group. Naturally, I don't hate anybody. Yorubas are not my problem. You Hausas are not my problem. Fulanis are not even my problem. But what they're doing is the problem that I can see. What they're doing, their action is the problem. But at them as a human being, you may say they're not the problem. If you ca- you can say whatever you want to say, but this is what my own. So everything that this person said here, brought to the same issue that they don't like you, they don't like you, they don't like you. And you hating yourself will be the worst thing to happen to you. Like the video and tell me what to think about it. God bless you all and see you again. Bye bye for now.